What's your name?
My name is Akiko. Please call me Aki.
Nice to meet you today, Aki.
Nice to meet you.
So how are you doing today, Aki?
And today it's very hot in Japan.
Oh, really? It's
Yeah.
it's very hot too here in the Philippines.
Oh,
Yes. Oh, it's not raining anymore there.
mhm.
Okay, okay. All right, so I can see here you chose daily news, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to study daily news in this lesson, and the title is Why Cats Don't Seem to Care About Us. Wow, very interesting. Okay, so let's have words and phrases first, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. So, would you like to listen to both US and UK pronunciation or just US pronunciation?
I want to UK pronunciation.
UK pronunciation. All right, so let's listen to the first word. Here we go.
Defend.
Defend.
All right, defend. It means to protect someone or something against attack or criticism. So please read the sample sentence.
Okay. I'm going to karate lessons to learn how to defend myself.
Wow, that's nice. Karate lesson. Okay, let's have the next word. Please listen and repeat.
Offer.
Offer.
Offer. Okay, to ask someone if they would like to have something or if they would like you to do something. Okay, please read again the sentence.
I feel bad that I didn't offer them any food.
Okay, very good. Let's have the next. Here we go.
Treat.
Treat.
Treat. Something that tastes good and that is not eaten often. Okay, please read the sentence.
She rewarded the dog with a treat.
All right. Next is
Difference.
Difference.
All right. The way in which two or more things which you are comparing are not the same. Okay, please read the sentence.
Okay, there is not much difference between the two products.
Okay, and the last one.
Avoid.
All right. It means to stay away from someone or something. Okay, please read the last sentence.
I try to avoid supermarkets on Saturdays because they are always so busy.
Yes, that's very true. Okay, so we're done with words and phrases. Is there any questions so far?
No question.
All right, so let's move to the next. Now let's have comprehension. Okay, so we will listen to the article here, but before that, let's check first the questions that you'll have to answer later, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's have question number 1. I will read it for you. What would your dog probably do if a stranger hurts you? Okay, and number 2, can you please read number 2 question?
What do many people think about cats?
All right, and the third one is who did the cat prefer to take food from? Okay, so this will be the listening focus as well, okay?
Okay.
All right, so now let's listen to the article. Here we go. Okay, let's start.
Why cats don't seem to care about us. If a stranger hurts you, your dog will probably defend you. But your cat won't react the same way. Why is there a difference? Many people think that cats don't care. A study in Japan helps us understand the reason. The study was of a cat watching her owner opening a box. Two strangers sat by the owner, and the owner asked both of them for help. One stranger helped her, and the other did not. Then both strangers offered the cat a treat. Did the cat prefer to take food from the person who helped her owner? The cat's reaction would show if cats had either positive or negative feelings towards strangers. There was no difference. The cat did not prefer the helpful person or avoid the unhelpful person. Cats don't avoid strangers who refuse to help their owners. It's important to remember that dogs have been kept as pets longer than cats. Dogs are used to living in groups, but cats are used to living by themselves. So it's not that cats are selfish or don't care about how their owners are treated, but they probably just can't pick up on social communication between humans like dogs can.
All right. Okay. So this time let's proceed to answer the questions. Okay? Yes. So I'll read its question and please say your answers out loud. All right. So let's start with number one. So again, what would your dog probably do if a stranger hurts you? A. Defend you. B. Bark loudly. Or C. Not do anything. Okay, what is your answer?
Um, my dog probably defend.
Yes, we'll defend you, right?
Okay.
Yes, okay, that's right. That's the correct answer. That's letter A. How about number two? What do many people think about cats? Is it A, that they are lazy, or B, that they don't care, or C, that they are mean? What is your answer here?
Many people think that they don't care.
Yes, it's letter B, that they don't care. Okay, do you agree with that? Cats don't
Yeah.
care? Yeah. Okay. All right, and the third one, who did the cat prefer to take food from? Is it A, the helpful person, or B, the unhelpful person, or C, there was no difference? So what is your answer here?
The answer is C. There was no difference.
That's perfect. Yes, the answer is C. There was no difference. So it doesn't matter to cats, right? There is no emotional attachment whatsoever, right? Okay, but to the dogs, it's really different. Yeah. Okay, now let's. Oh, by the way, do you have any questions with this part?
Well, I'm okay. No question.
Okay. So now let's move to the next part. We have the read out part. So please read out the article. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Why cats don't why cats don't seem to care about us? If a stranger hurts you, your dog will probably defend you, but your cat won't react the same way. Why is there a difference? Many people think that cats don't care. A study in Japan helps us understand the reason. The study was of a cat watching her owner opening a box. Two strangers sat by the owner, and the owner asked both of them for help. One stranger helped her, and the other did not. Then both strangers offered the cat a treat. Did the cat prefer to take food from the person who helped her owner? The cat's reaction would show if cats had either positive or negative feelings toward strangers. There was no difference. The cat did not prefer the helpful person or avoid the unhelpful person. Cats don't avoid strangers who refuse to help their owners. It's important to remember that dogs have been kept as pets longer than cats. Dogs are used to living in groups, but cats are used to living by themselves. So it's not that cats are selfish or don't care about how their owners are treated, but they probably just can't pick up on social communication between humans like dogs can.
All right. Very well said. That's great. Good job in reading. Very
Yeah,
good.
thank
Okay, so do you have any questions so far with this article?
you. The last sentence.
Yes.
So it's not that cats are selfish or don't care about how their owners are treated,
Mhm.
but probably just can't pick up on social communication between humans like dogs can.
Yes.
It means pick up on the the cats can't communicate with to human. Is it means?
Yeah, something like that, but it actually because of their let's say past experiences. Like cats, it says cats are used to living by themselves, so they're not really an animal like used to socialization.
Mm-hmm.
So, unlike dogs, dogs have
Mm-hmm.
been with people.
Mm-hmm.
So, and dogs have a lot of experiences about human emotions, right? So, they can better communicate to people
Mm-hmm.
with emotions. But cat is not like dogs. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes, yes. So it says here, also in this paragraph, it says that cats are used to living by themselves and dogs are used to living in groups. So really, dogs are socialized animals. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they like socializations, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can see
Yeah.
dogs in groups, they go together, but cats are
Mm-hmm.
alone, like they
Mm-hmm.
want to be by themselves,
Mm-hmm.
right? So it's not that they can't pick up, but maybe it's they are not active about picking up emotions on other people or socially communicate socially, right?
Mm-hmm.
They are not active on that part. Yes, okay. All right, so now let's move to the discussion part. Please
Mm-hmm.
answer this question freely or by using the situation given. So let's start with number one. Do you think that it is good to have a pet?
Uh, I think it's very good to have a pet.
Yeah, I think so too.
Of
Yes, that's
course,
right.
of course, for me and my children,
Mm-hmm.
it's very good because mm, I can uh, I can know
Mm-hmm.
about our children how to
Oh, how
care
to take care.
with pets. Yes,
Yes,
uh,
that's right.
yeah. So it's very more happier.
Mm,
Happier.
it's happier. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay. So it can actually also, yep, improve our happiness. It can
Mm-hmm.
add happiness to our life. That's true. Okay, especially to the kids, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. All right, let's have a sample answer here. Please read the sample answer. I'll type it in the chat box. Here we go. Okay. Yes.
Yes, I think that it's good to have a pet because having a pet can bring us happiness.
Yeah.
For example, spending time with a pet can help us to relax and enjoy our day.
Yeah, that's true.
I
Okay.
agree.
Yes. And you will notice as well that pets have a sense of humor.
Mm-hmm.
Like you can play with them. You can play with them.
Um,
Both,
do you
both,
have
both.
a pet?
Yeah, I used to have, yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah,
used to
yeah,
have.
yeah, I used to have. I don't have it now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, because the situation is not yet good for pets. Because
Mm-hmm.
everybody is working from home right
Mm-hmm.
now. So my wife, my daughter as well, they work from home. So having pets right now is not really good for us because sometimes they're
Mm-hmm.
noisy.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe after pandemic. How about you?
Uh, I I now have two cats.
Two
in
cats. Wow.
yeah, one cat is 20 years old.
20 years old. Wow.
Yes,
That's very old.
very old lady.
Yeah, very old.
Mhm. But she is very healthy.
That's nice. That's nice. How about the
Mhm.
other one? The other one is younger.
Uh, other one is only 1 year old.
1 year old.
Mhm.
Is it like a daughter of that old cat? No? Like a daughter, a kitten from that old cat? No? Are they
And
related to each other? No, they're not.
no,
Ah, okay.
yeah.
Yes, wow. Yeah, it's good also to have cats at home. How about
Mhm.
dogs?
I when I was young,
Mhm.
very little, I had a dog,
Oh, okay.
and he was also 21 years old. Yes.
Oh,
Now
that's amazing.
uh, he's dead. He was dead, but
Really?
very long. What can I say? Long, 長生き, long life.
Yeah, it really is. Like 20
Yeah.
years old. Actually, this is my first time to hear 20-year-old cat. Because yeah, because normally like I mean 10 years old is
Mhm.
already old, right,
Yeah.
for pets. But
Mhm.
20 years old, that's
Yeah.
amazing. That's really amazing. Okay, it amazed me so much.